Hey there, future financial gurus. Do you ever catch yourself daydreaming about achieving ultimate financial freedom and success? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn those dreams into reality. Welcome to our guide on the Financial Freedom Fund Plan, your ticket to achieving your money goals for success in 2024. In this video, we'll delve into the key strategies and techniques that will help you pave the way to financial independence. Financial freedom is something that many people dream of, but few actually achieve. It takes discipline, hard work, and a solid plan to reach this goal. That's why I've decided to create a financial freedom fund plan for myself in 2024. The first step in my plan is to set clear money goals for success. I know that in order to achieve financial freedom, I need to have a clear vision of what I want to accomplish. So I've outlined specific goals that I want to achieve by the end of the year. One of my main goals is to increase my savings account by 20%. This means that I need to cut back on unnecessary expenses and put more money into my savings each month. I know that this will require some sacrifices, but I'm willing to make them in order to reach my goal. Another goal that I have set for myself is to pay off all of my credit card debt. I know that carrying a balance on my credit cards is costing me money in interest each month, so I want to eliminate this debt as soon as possible. I've created a plan to pay off a certain amount each month until it's completely paid off. In addition to increasing my savings and paying off my credit card debt, I also want to start investing in the stock market. I know that investing is a key component of building wealth, so I want to start putting my money to work for me. I've done some research and have identified some stocks that I want to invest in. I plan to start small and gradually increase my investments as I become more comfortable with the process. Another goal that I have set for myself is to increase my income. I know that in order to achieve financial freedom, I need to have multiple streams of income. So, I've been looking for ways to increase my earnings. I've taken on some freelance work in addition to my full-time job, and I'm also exploring other opportunities for generating income. So achieving financial freedom is a common goal that many aspire to, and it involves careful planning, disciplined saving, and strategic investing. The Financial Freedom Fund Plan is a comprehensive strategy designed to help you reach your money goals for success in 2024 and beyond. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating and executing your Financial Freedom Fund Plan. Step 1. Define your financial freedom goals. Short-term goals. Emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs. Debt repayment. Pay off high-interest debt such as credit card balances and personal loans. Midterm goals. Home purchase. Save for a down payment on a house or for significant home improvements. Education. Fund your own or your children's education expenses. Long-term goals. Retirement. Build a retirement fund to ensure financial independence in your later years. Investment portfolio. Grow your wealth through diversified investments. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. Track your income and expenses. Create a detailed budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs and increase savings. Evaluate your assets and liabilities. List all your assets, savings, investments, property, and liabilities, mortgage, loans, credit card debt to understand your net worth. Credit score check. Obtain your credit report and score to ensure there are no errors and to understand how lenders view your financial health. Step 3. Create a savings plan. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings accounts to ensure consistent saving without relying on willpower. Emergency fund. Prioritize building or replenishing your emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Retirement accounts. Maximize contributions to retirement accounts, such as 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA. Take advantage of employer matching contributions if available. Specific savings goals. Open separate savings accounts for each financial goal, e.g., home down payment, vacation fund, to keep your funds organized. Step 4. Develop an investment strategy. Understand your risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance based on your financial goals, investment timeline, and comfort with market volatility. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, ETFs, to minimize risk. Consider low-cost index funds. Invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the overall market, providing broad exposure with lower fees. Regularly rebalance. Periodically review and adjust your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Step 5. Optimize your income. Increase earnings. Look for opportunities to increase your income through raises, promotions, or side hustles. Consider further education or skills training to enhance your earning potential. Passive income streams. Explore passive income opportunities such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products. Step 6. Manage and reduce debt. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first to save money on interest payments. Debt repayment strategies. Use debt repayment strategies like the snowball method, paying off smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off highest interest debts first. Step 7. Plan for major life events. Insurance coverage. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, health, life, disability, property to protect against major financial setbacks. Estate planning. Create or update your will, designate beneficiaries, and consider setting up a trust to manage your assets. Step 8. Review and adjust your plan. Regular financial checkups. Schedule regular reviews of your financial plan, quarterly or annually, to assess your progress and make necessary adjustments. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and trends to make informed decisions about your investments and financial strategy. Step 9. Seek professional advice. Financial advisor. Consider working with a certified financial planner, CFP, or financial advisor to get personalized advice and guidance. Tax advisor. Consult with a tax advisor to optimize your tax strategy and ensure you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits. Step 10. Cultivate a financial freedom mindset. Set milestones. Break down your financial goals into smaller, achievable milestones to stay motivated and track your progress. Stay disciplined. Practice disciplined spending and saving habits to stay on track towards your financial goals. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your financial milestones to stay motivated and committed to your financial freedom journey. Overall, my Financial Freedom Fund Plan is designed to help me achieve my goal of financial freedom. By setting clear money goals for success, I am taking the first step towards building a secure financial future for myself. I know that it won't be easy, but I am committed to putting in the work and making the necessary sacrifices in order to achieve my goals. I'm excited to see where this plan will take me and look forward to the day when I can finally say that I have achieved financial freedom. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more invaluable financial tips and insights. Share your money goals in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out our next video on advanced financial planning strategies. Until next time, stay financially savvy.